dragging over here now. We love the geocache. We can call ourselves geocache hunters. But if you own geocaches, sometimes you got to take the hunting hat off and you got to turn into maintenance men. That's right. Right now we're about to get ready to do some geocache maintenance. I have a cache I maintain out in the middle of nowhere. The cache is called, and you can go in to see in a second, where's the doggone stop sign at this three-way? Oh no. Let's go get it.
Before they go and get it, take a look at a few of the swag they placed in the cache. As Firecruise mentioned earlier, the name of this cache is Where's the Doggone Stop Sign. This is the first cache that was hidden by Firecruise, now known to the geocaching world as Team CJP. This cache has been active since 2010. For more information about this worldwide game, please visit geocaching.com.
Alright, we got the dragon coming on in up under here. Yes, indeed. Woo! And you thought this was a pretty sight? Shoot, y'all better be more careful. Alright. This is the first cache that we ever put out. I can't even remember when we put this cache out. I want to say back in 2010. So we're going to place all these goodies in here. Lock it back up. Get it back in the spot. Get down. This is what you call hiding away from the muggle. There we go. Don't ever let anybody ever tell you that geocaching isn't interesting at times. Alright, let's hurry up and get up in here and get up out of here. Alright, I think we got it knocked out. Let's get ready to head up out of here. Definitely appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. And as always, be blessed.